Now, a bizarre thing after restarting the computer, look at it, selected sound output device, nothing. Now, it doesn't even say internal speakers. If you go to input, no input devices, so the microphone's not even showing up either, which is absolutely ridiculous. It's weird. Now, I'm going to shut down the computer here, and we'll see what happens after shutdown. So here's the shutdown process. Hopefully you don't get this weird black screen again. There's a little thing, curly Q thing there, spinning away, as you can see. So now we're shut down.